Hello from Aussie Gutter Protection, Melbourne's trusted name in durable and efficient gutter guard solutions, serving both homes and businesses. In today's case study, we're thrilled to take you behind the scenes of a local Hastings area installation. Our installers fitted 102.9 metres of TuffMesh aluminium gutter guard to the property. Situated in the suburb of Hastings in Mornington Peninsula, this residence faced persistent issues of blocked gutters due to accumulation of leaves and debris. This led to water overflow and subsequent damage to the surrounding areas. Our designated residential technician arrived on site for a comprehensive assessment. Post-evaluation, we recommended our state-of-the-art TuffMesh aluminium material as their gutter guard. In addition to the leaf proofing, the TuffMesh aluminium would also provide the property owners peace of mind, as local wildlife including possums and gulls native to the suburb would not be able to damage, dent or remove the mesh due to its added strength. To complement the home's corrugated woodlands grey roof, we chose a matching mesh and corrugated saddles to blend in seamlessly with the roof. To match the gutters and the home's heritage style, we chose a manor red trim to coincide with the gutter's hue, creating a seamless aesthetic yet functional design. Our dedicated team skillfully installed a total of 102.9 metres of TuffMesh aluminium. Our installation process ensures an impeccable fit, enabling free water flow while effectively keeping leaves and debris and other nuisances out of the gutter system. And there you have it, a seamlessly executed TuffMesh aluminium gutter guard installation. We appreciate your choosing Aussie Gutter Protection for your gutter needs. Our underlying commitment to quality customer satisfaction continues to position us as a leading name in the industry. To find out more about our cutting-edge gutter guard solutions, don't hesitate to contact us today.